Hi, welcome to another new video, and today's our topic is how to make Wix website mobile friendly. As you can see, we already set up our website for desktop version, but my this website is not yet responsible for mobile users. As you can see, if I click on the mobile version, you can see the view for mobile. So let's click on the mobile version, and you can see my interface is really messed up for mobile version and it's looking really weird. So right now I want to make it responsible. So once you click on the mobile version, you will get this kind of interface, and right now you can edit it, you can remove it, you can do anything you want, whatever you want. So just reduce the space here, then I will click in here and I will hide this for mobile version, and then I have the option to grid clarity. So I will edit this too. I will click on setting and there will have a pop-up in here. So I click on the layout and then I will increase the spacing between rows and space between columns too. And here you can see, or also I can make the column one version. In here you can see it's looking really nice and it is also mobile friendly. So in this way you can change the layout. Also you have option to design, so you can check out the full design layout and you will find out something amazing. So right now you can see my website is mobile friendly. In here, if you want to hide this one for your mobile version, you can do it by clicking on the eye. Just click here, the about will be disappear from here and it is not open to see in mobile version. Once you complete your design, just publish here and the website has been done. You can see the congratulations, your site is published and live online. Let's check the preview. Is it really working or not? Just click on the preview and now you can see that our website is mobile friendly and it is looking really awesome. So I hope you will find out the video is really helpful for you. Once you see the full video, I hope you will click the like button and you will be shared with your friends this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you to watch the video till the end.